Hey guys, welcome back to Nirvana. Today's pursuit to paradise takes us to Portside Villa in Discovery Bay, Jamaica. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So Portside Villa features 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, indoor and outdoor living and dining areas, a game room, private pool, and water views. As you can see, the living area is at the entrance of the house, featuring floor-to-ceiling windows and water views, lots of seating, and a TV. There's also a powder room as soon as you enter the house. Did I mention there's a story time at the end of this video? Keep watching! Right on the other side of the staircase is a game room which features a pool table and a small bar area, which I found to be a very nice touch. And then just outside we have the pool with lots of loungers and of course 180-degree water views. Beautiful view. And as you can see, lots of additional seating outside as well as an outdoor dining area. And I'll show you the more formal dining area in just a second. And if you made it this far, click the like and subscribe button. Thank you. And now off to the bedrooms. So first up we have the master bedroom. This bedroom features a king bed, walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom. Here we have a small balcony overlooking the water. Talk about a massive shower. I wonder how many could fit in here. So the next bedroom features a queen bed. It has another balcony that overlooks the water, has a large closet, and an ensuite bathroom. Next up, we have a bedroom that features 2 queen beds. This bedroom also features an ensuite bathroom and has a walk-in closet. It also features a tub instead of a shower, so it's actually perfect for kids. This is the final bedroom upstairs. It features 2 double beds and also has an ensuite bathroom. I love this touch LED vanity mirror. And then the 5th and final bedroom is downstairs, featuring a king bed, outdoor access and water views, as well as an ensuite bathroom. Let me know what you guys think of this house in the comments. My rating is coming up in just a second. Okay, so full disclosure, this was not actually where we initially booked. So we were booked for a 1-bedroom condo, and then a couple days before arrival, the host advised that it was under construction. As you guys may know, I'm an event planner and I had an event close by with nowhere else to go. So this is how I was looking at first. The thing is, though, they asked me to cancel the booking on my end so that I could be issued a full refund. So once I went in the Airbnb app, when I selected reasons to cancel, it said never cancel on behalf of host. So because I needed to protect my coins, I let the host know that he would have to cancel it on his end. Long story short, they offered to upgrade us to Portside Villa, so that's how we ended up here. We pretty much got access to everything except the chef, as understandably our original booking would not have included chef services. And then it was just 2 of us, so we only used 1 bedroom, but you guys know I had to venture around and capture everything anyways. So based on that, for today's review, I'll just give my overall thoughts instead of my usual breakdown. So the cost for the villa is $1,250 per night for a max of 12 guests, and it has a 3-night minimum. So this isn't a bad price considering it's 5 bedrooms and includes a private pool, chef, housekeeper, and has water views. But I do believe that at that price point, the exterior especially needs a little bit of updating. So don't get me wrong, I appreciate the rustic feel. However, some areas definitely showed more signs of aging, and many of the windows and doors, for example, were outdated and a bit hard to open. And then I could also tell that the hardwood floors were original, which definitely gives the house a lot of character. But am I the only one who gets scared from all the squeaking when you walk? Probably just me. So the house is located in Discovery Bay, Jamaica, which is a great location for those looking for seclusion and a little bit of privacy. As you saw, the house is right on the water and the views are definitely one of the best parts about the villa. It is within 5 minutes from Puerto Seco Beach Park and Green Grotto Cave and about an hour from Sangsters International Airport. So regarding service and communication, as I mentioned earlier, even though our initial reservation had to be cancelled, I must say the host handled the situation very well and was very accommodating, and that is always a very big plus for me. Do you guys have any cancelled reservation stories, and did you get an upgrade like me, a downgrade, or nothing at all? I'm sure you do. Feel free to share in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. If you loved it, please share and turn on your post notifications. On to the next pursuit. Thank you so much for watching.